back to my channel. It's your girl HK. If you're new here, hi and welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're an old but a goodie, thank you guys so much for always clicking on this video. Guys, I'm doing so much better from the previous video. Like I'm doing 95%, you know, recovered. So today I decided to clean out the fridge side because Butch decided not to come. I'm telling you, this house have drama. Like if I start telling you drama about house help, it's gonna be a whole story time. But she just decided she's not gonna come today, so I have to kind of, you know, help out in the house. So I'm going to clean out this fridge side of this whole thing because there's a lot of leftovers, so they usually keep on accumulating and they make the whole fridge kind of stink up, and also, you know, no space, just too small vibakuli all over the place. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the fridge and the freezer I'm going to give you a tour of the fridge and the freezer and just show you guys a little bit, you know, around, and then we're going to clean out the fridge together. So let me give you guys a tour. Okay, so let's start with the freezer. So this is usually like a seafood freezer. We have prawns all over the place and some fish huko chini. We usually get these ones straight from the sea, and then there's that samosa guy that usually comes and, you know, does samosas, so we stock them up and freeze them. This is a very good, it saves so much time, and you just have variety, especially during Ramadan, but we usually do this all around there. So yeah, these are just prawns. This is the latest arrival, so that's why they are up here. So it's just, you know, vidude chini, just, you know, stored in containers. So that's the seafood freezer. And then we usually have this is one side is a fridge and the other side is a freezer. So like I told you guys, there's going to be a lot of leftovers, so we have like 2 stuff for water just in case. And then we have, this is pizza. We had pizza yesterday, viaz karai, and, you know, just leftovers from yesterday. We had biryani the other day. This is potatoes from cooking yesterday. That, I don't know how long it has stayed in there, so things have to be, you know, cleaned out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. We usually get like a crate of soda and put in the fridge for like guests. Yeah, so that's that. Down here we usually have like veggies, so we need to stock up on these. I think when we get time we'll go to Kongoa Sokoni and do that. And then down here is completely empty, just one lemon. And then on the side we have just, you know, stuff there for cake. Over there, just randomness. On this side here is just soy sauce, vanilla, chocolate syrup, pep, you know, all that, and just randomness all the way to the bottom. And then on this side is a freezer as well. This one usually has like cereals, maharagwe ilichemshwa juzi ikaekwa hapo ndani. There's usually meat, people's chocolates, and, you know, ice cream, cheese, and yeah, all that. So we're not going to touch this side because this side will require me to turn off the whole fridge, and I don't want to do that, so we're just going to do this side only. Let's get into cleaning the fridge. The only thing I haven't removed is actually the sodas. I'm going to clean this part first and then put the sodas over here and then clean here. So yeah, because I don't have any counter space remaining. Like, look at all these. Whoa. Let's start cleaning. I'm loving this, by the way. It's so therapeutic. Okay, finally guys, I'm done cleaning the fridge. It has been 2 hours, so I'm going to show you guys what I have done. The fridge is actually looking so clean. Let me show you. Remember, we had like leftover stuff over here, so it's all clean. I just need to fill in those 2 bottles of water. And then the second level we have this is shredded ginger, and this is my sister's favorite, pilipilia maembe, and then yogurt. This was for biryani yesterday, and some left over in this tin. And then on the third level we have a lot of these baskets. These are from Home Equip. We thought they were going to be bigger, but they're not as big. So over here we have just fruits, and then on this other one I kept some ginger and ukwaju in here. One thing about these baskets is that they expand. You see, this is small, but it could expand and become the size of this big one. So that's an awesome feature. It's just that they're not that deep. And then the good thing about them is that you can hang them. So in here I have like tomato paste, and they're hanging over here. The only issue is you can't hang anything heavy, so it has to be very lightweight. And over here we have like pili hanging as well. So yeah. And then on the third level we have sodas. They usually just have these around, I think, for guests. I added a few more, but I'm trying not to strain this glass, so that's that. And then down here we have vegetables, just like you saw earlier. And then on this side we have the chocolates, the cream. My mom just mixed that one up. I think she's planning to make a cake. And then right here we have syrup, mayonnaise, chocolate syrup topping, whatever, and some mazwalala, and then some milk. And then down here we have soy sauce, you know, vinegar, blah blah blah, everything. And then down there is skincare. So the noise is from the fridge when you open it for so long. But yeah, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so tired. I just wanna go chill kidogo and then we start making iftar. You guys know it's Ramadan, right? My mom has started though. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment, share this video with your friends, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Kwaheri.